Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 51st tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll see how we can update values in a MySql table using Python, and also how we can delete data from a table using Python, right? So in the last tutorial we inserted a few rows in the customer table that we created in the last tutorial, and I'll show you guys the data that I have in the table in my MySql workbench. So the ID field is the primary key for this table, and it obviously will take different values for each row. So it has the values 1, 2 and 3, and let's say I want to change the age of Jill from 22 to 24. So the way I'm going to do that in Python is by using the myCursor dot execute method, and the SQL statement to make the changes is going to be update, and then I'll type in the name of my table customer, and then I'll give a space, type in the keyword set, and the field that I want to change. So I want to change the age field, and let's say I want to give the value 24, so I'll type in equals and the new value 24, and I only want to do it for Jill, so I'll have to use a where clause, and the unique attribute about Jill is that her customer ID is 2. So no customer in the table will ever have a customer ID 2. There can be customers that can have the same email address as Jill, there can be customers that have the same name as Jill, or the same age, or the same city, but no customer is going to have the same ID as Jill. So that's why I'm going to type in ID equals 2, and this is the unique most property of Jill. And I'll press the enter key, and in order to stick the changes to the database, I'll obviously have to call the commit method. So I'll type in CONN, the name of my connection object, and then a dot, and then commit, and a set of empty parentheses. I'll press the enter key, and when I go to my MySql environment and re-execute this query, I see now that the age of Jill has been changed to 24, right? And the next thing that we're going to see is how we can delete data from a SQL table using Python, and obviously we're going to use the delete from statement in SQL, and I'll type in, or maybe I'll just use this, and I'll just change the query inside. So let's say I want to delete John's record, right? So I want to delete this entire row for John, and let's say John is no longer my customer and I want to remove him from my table. So I'll type in delete, and then from, and then customer, which is the name of the table, and then where ID equals 3, right? Because John's ID is 3, and I'll press the enter key to execute this, and obviously again I'll have to commit the changes, and when I go to my MySql workbench and execute this, I see that John's record is no longer displayed. So that's it for now, and we're not going to check out any more SQL statements in this course. In case you want to learn more SQL, then you can check out textbooks on SQL, or you can watch my series of tutorials on SQL which are on YouTube, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.